Good. This is the road. This is Tookany Creek Parkway, Cheltenham, PA, July 13th, 2010. Look at this, the waters. This is Tookany Creek Parkway. There's the creek. Tookany is pretty well and good and flooded. I'm standing on my flagstone walkway here. Not really venturing off of it much. Here's the house. Thank goodness my house sits up on a hill. See that nice rise there before the house? It's a good thing. Not sure over me and the camera. Let's turn it back around and look at the floodwaters. Look at this. This is intense. Let's zoom in. That's only about 50 yards away, the edge of it, not even 30 yards. There's the street. That's amazing. Those trees are before the bank. Way before the bank.
There's like a tree.
The one that's like washing down the river, down the creek? Yeah, it's flood, man. This is what floods look like. Look at this. Yeah, one more step. I'm not going any further.